right, welcome to this week's analysis on XAUUSD. We analyze the chart from the higher time frame down to my entry time frame. If this is something we want to see, stick around. They trade the market. I trade my namesake. My name is Gold. I'm not just a trader, but a trader who trades only her namesake, gold on gold. All right, so let's get into the chart. This is a trade I'm holding on BE. Hopefully, it goes to TP. Alright, so the monthly candle close, and you can see how this monthly candle closed. It closed super bearish. So I'm still bearish on gold, but I don't know. I have this feeling that gold has taken a bottom because see, we are reacting from this monthly key level. As you can see, this is a monthly key level. Although I just wanted it to like come down and sweep this guy, tap into this FVG maybe before giving any retracement. That was what I was looking forward to on gold, but that did not happen. So we're like taking a support at this monthly key level, which looks good. Let's check the weekly. So on the weekly, you can see that area is also a weekly area of support here. That has been tested once, and now we're testing it again. And you can see my love for what happened this week was we got this sweep, we got this candle sweep. I was just waiting for market to close to confirm this sweep. So we got this sweep, and then now we're also having a weekly key level right here. So this is a weekly key level. That one has been used. So this was where I expected gold to like go up and then reject from. Yes. Now weekly we are reacting from a monthly key level and also a weekly key level, and then we've gotten this CRT. So I think price will eventually take out this guy. I think price will eventually complete the CRT and take out the weekly high before we get any pullback, or price will first pull back into this weekly level, then go to this extreme other block, and then before we continue this. So for now we are still bearish. Of course, I've been showing you guys the structure. So we are still bearish on gold. We got a break, like I said the last time. Oh my father, what have I done? So we got a break on gold. Like I said the last time, we got this break on gold right here. Do you get? And then the monthly has also given us a signal of super bearishness. So for now, this buy can just be a retracement to the upside to get more sales. Anything right now is very, very possible to get. But to me, I don't know why I have the feeling that gold has taken the bottom, because this was our last break of structure. Let's see. Let me check. Let's go back to the monthly. So there's no really break aside here. This was on the monthly. This was the last break, which I think price has retraced more than 50%, but price can still come lower. Nothing stops it from coming lower here. But I feel like price has done, where's the fib? Price has done more than 50%. You can see price has done more than 50%. So, and this on the weekly, this was the last so on the weekly, this was the last break of structure. This was just liquidity. This also was just liquidity. So we can see that as long as this low is not taken, if we take out this, that means the weekly will flip bullish and then a pullback and then more buy. Maybe that's why I'm feeling that price has taken bottom. Yeah, probably. So I love that we're taking bottom here. So let's check the daily. For now, prices at the weekly key level, and I didn't see much rejection, so that's why I had to put myself at B, because I didn't see much rejection. So I think this is the weekly key level. That means it's likely that after we got this break of structure, this key level, this daily key level, which is also a weekly key level, can push price lower to use this guy, and then we get more buy. So this is what I'm looking out for next week. There's a daily key level here that I would have loved gold to retrace here, but with a weekly key level here, I don't think gold will come this low. I think gold will use something here, and then probably here, and then continue the buys. And then where was our last structure? On the daily, this was our last break of structure. So until this high is taken, the daily is still bearish. So this is like an obstacle. It can continue the trend completely. Don't get me wrong. It can continue the trend completely here, but it can also pull back to this level and continue the buys probably to this extreme before it sells. Yeah. All right, so that's it for the daily. The structure is still bearish. We are still bearish on gold until probably this daily high is taken. Then we can go bullish. But like I said, I just feel like gold has taken the bottom, and then from here is to new all-time high. But I just can't prove it. I can't prove it yet. Because I practically wanted to like just risk like $500 and just swing it. But I don't even know when the thing left me. Anyways. So on the H4, this is the H4. We're also bullish on the H4. So this is a break. We got a break. And like as you can see, this weekly key level is also a key level on the H4 that we can use for more buy continuations. And you can see that we got this liquidity just right before it. So I feel like this weekly key level will hold. I had the POY that I was looking around this area. I was waiting for price to come here, but looking at how weekly has created its own key level just around here, I don't think price will leave this weekly key level to come all the way down here. So I'll focus my buy around this key level. Like I can see this 4 hours key level right here. That is clean. And is the closest to the weekly key level. So this area, I refine it on the lower time frame and then take the buy. But because we're reacting from a key level, a weekly key level. If I get a sell from here, although if I get a sell, my TP will be around there. I even want to take my profit here, although I was targeting here. But the weekly, since I noticed that weekly key level is here, I don't think price might get here. So I'm taking my profits here. Yeah. So if we get a sell from this to this guy, then we might get a pullback and then continue the sell. Do you get? So just work with confirmations. But for now, and yeah, I think the pullbacks have started. Like I said, the pullbacks have started. So let's check the H1. So on the H1, we can see on the H1, that area is still valid. It's clean, and I think it swept liquidity here. It swept liquidity. So I think it's an area that should hold, because anything that makes price to go below this guy is coming to take out this guy and this one. Yeah. So we just have to wait. We got this break and we got this break. So price can pull into this level. Continue the buy. But please take note, we are reacting from a weekly key level, which can as well reverse the price, yeah, and continue the sell. So anything is possible. So I won't go lower than 1 hour because I don't think I'm looking for any entry yet. Like I said, I took one aggressive sell. So I took it from this key level. So I took the aggressive sell from this key level, and my stop loss is just above, I think, this guy. Yeah, I think somewhere there. So that's it for now. Yeah, I'm just looking, since we tapped into this key level, if we get a confirmation for this sell, I think I will sell. Possibly to take out. I was targeting this guy, eventually this guy also. But with the weekly key level around here, I think I'll just take my profits here and watch what happens. But if you have balls, which I think I'll go and develop before the week starts, I will sell to this guy. So even if the trend continues bearish, at least we are out. because I know this is liquidity. Yeah, at least we are out. So yeah, guys, that's all I'm saying on this on gold this week. Yeah, trade carefully, and I think we have CPI next week or this week. So yeah, that's all I'm seeing on gold. If there's any update, I'll drop it in my Telegram channel. If I'm taking any trade, I'll drop it in my Telegram channel. So if you're not in my Telegram, do well to join. The link is in my bio. All right, see you next week.